Okay, so I'm going to show how to set up a VRU or voice response unit on your IVR menu. And what this is allows you, instead of only being able to detect, did you press 1 or 2, we can actually detect voice. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to say hello if you're happy, say bye if you're sad. I'm just going to have a little fun. Normally you'd want to do things like say sales for sales, tech support for tech support, but instead of that, so instead of putting 1 and 2 in here, I'm going to put hello and bye. So the system's actually going to listen for the person to say either hello or bye, and then we're going to go down the proper route. But in order for this to work, we need to right-click it and go to the properties. And here, enable voice detect, we need to turn this on to yes, because by default it's not enabled, it's only listening for particular key presses. And then just so you can see how it works, we're going to say, if they say hello, we're going to say you are happy. And if they say bye, we're going to say you are sad. So that's the basics of the setup. Now, if the system if it hears something besides hello or bye, what we're going to do is we're going to send, it goes down this particular route, and we're going to say, oops, spelled oops wrong. Please try again, and then we're going to only repeat that once, and then we're going to send them back. Whoops. We're going to send them back up to the original prompt here. So, and then make sure that you save your PBX before you try to run this. And then what I'm going to do is call in on my cell phone here and put it on speakerphone.
Say hello.
Hello.
If you are happy. You are happy.
So that's the basics of how the VRU works. And you'll notice that you can actually, the person calling can actually cut off the system. So you see other, you might see other ones of these around, but most of them require that the whatever is the prompt that's being played is finished, and then it waits to listen for the caller. So this system actually allows the caller to cut it off at any point, which is nice, especially if you have really long prompts and they kind of know where they want to go. So that's the basics of the system. Sometimes you'll want to also do something like press 1 or say sales to talk to sales. That way they also have a digit if they're in some scenario where they can't say hello or bye, so they can just press the digits easily. So that's the basics of how that system works. Thanks.